Kareen, it's Michael Rosenbaum. You did it. Kareen, you did it. It's a YouTube milestone. I am so proud of you. Self-help expert life coaching channel gets 1,000 subscribers. And I appreciate you being a Lex Luthor fan, and congratulations. And that you love dogs and superhero movies. And hey, I'm really proud of you. This is amazing. Keep up the hard work. Do what you love. Be honest. Be real. Be true to yourself. 1,000 subscribers. Kareen, you did it. And I'm completely proud and happy for you. All right, rock on. Wow, I can't believe it. You're doing it. You are doing it, Kareen.